When I'm talking about making money on live, I am not talking about gifts. Nope. I'm talking about having a strategy. I didn't figure this out. I really thought that I was making it clear. So let me really explain what I mean by making money with live video. When you're on live and you're explaining something, for example, let's say you're a personal trainer. You're a personal trainer and you're showing me the reasons why I need a personal trainer, the benefits, maybe you're giving me some workout tips, nutrition tips. Send them to the link in your bio to buy, to download a free download. That's how you're gonna make money on live. There's times that I'm talking about branding and personal branding and like, look, this is how start to finish, tip 1, 2, 3. If you want more information, make sure to click a consultation and we can do this with you. Or if I'm talking about a certain tool, like don't forget to download my free download. Make sure that you get that now and continue with my content. Me doing that, not only am I getting leads, but I'm also getting people that want to work with me because they know, especially if I'm going live often. I remember one of my live videos brought in $500 because 3 people booked. So 1 month coaching, I think, whatever the case may be, $500 on one video, bro. That's 100% worth it. But you need to go live. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you do want an actual strategy on creating content, going live, monetizing your socials, like let's work together. But no, it's not just, I think I've made sense of my live gifts. Like I think the best time that I was getting hella gifts was like $10, which is amazing. I love those gifts. Like they're amazing, but that's not going to pay my rent. Do you know what I'm saying? So we're focusing on actual strategy, content creation. Let me know in the comments, or if you want to just book, go ahead. If you want an actual strategy, because you can make money on live video.